how to create a KPI chart using HR dataset in Power BI. First, download your HR dataset from your file path. Click on all files. CSV files become visible. Open them. And load the data into your software. The data that is loaded can be previewed here in the report. And this chart creation requires several fields like attrition state, attrition rate, active employees, etc. So let's go on creating these fields. The first field I'll be creating will be attrition status, which is nothing but Boolean values of attrition. So if attrition equal to yes, it returns a 1, else it returns a 0. And that is my attrition status. I then create another column for active employees. So those are people who have attrition equal to 0 or attrition status equal to 0. So active employees is if attrition status or attrition equal to no, then this is 1, else it is 0, and that is active employees. Third is creating another column for attrition rate. So this is the fraction of the if sum of attrition status divided by the sum of attrition count. So I say divide here, and this will be divided by count of attrition or attrition status, and this is multiplied by 100. Alright, once these fields are created, let's go on to create our visualization. Choose this card, which is especially the 1, 2, 3 card, new, not this card. And then we start adding stuff here. The first what we add will be employee count, which is here. And then the second thing we add would be attrition count. So attrition count would be the number of people who left, which is attrition status. So that's the count sum of attrition status. And then is attrition rate, which is readily available, and it will be the average. And then attrition count, that's the number of people who left. So that is count of sum of attrition status, which we have already done. And next is active employees, sum of active employees, yeah, and then it is average age. Okay, let's just compare with our